Hi class, welcome to a new semester. Welcome to Social Media Marketing B351. I'm so excited to be here with you and explore social and digital communications. My name is Brother Staley. I wanted to give you a quick introduction to myself and to this course and some of the things that we'll experience together over this semester. So let's go ahead and get started. Just a little bit about me. I'm the marketing and communications manager. I work for Family Search. I oversee some communications and marketing for the Roots Tech Conference, which is a big family history conference sponsored by the church. I received my undergraduate degree from BYU-Idaho and my master's degree from the University of Kansas. I'm a huge sports fan, big fan of the Utah Jazz, and love basketball. And I'm a husband and father. You can see a picture there of my wife and my daughter, and she just turned 1, and she's kind of the pride and joy of our family, as you can imagine. This course is really going to focus on social media and some of the best practices, the various platforms that brands are using now to communicate with their audiences. We're going to really take a look at how to develop a social media marketing strategy. Using social is different for a brand than how we would use it personally. So we'll look at how to set business objectives, how to find key metrics to create strategies. We're going to look into content marketing, how social amplifies content to get that to the right customer at the right time. We're going to look at some data and some analytics. The nice thing about social is that you have real-time analytics to optimize your campaigns and to make changes that you need to in real time. And then we're going to look at how social media fits into an overall marketing plan. Social is not the only tool that marketers have, but it's an important tool that can be combined with other tools to really get your message across to the right audience. I think we all kind of know innately how social is important. Basically, this is where people are. Gen Xers, millennials, baby boomers, people are looking to brands on social to engage, to find offers, to get help with the product. It's an important platform for brands to be able to communicate with existing customers, to find new customers, and to help customers move down the purchase cycle and marketing funnel. Ultimately, social media should be about your audience and about the people that you're trying to serve. I love that quote at the bottom of the screen. Social media is about the people, not about your business, but provide for the people and the people will provide for you. I think that's so true. As we go throughout this course and as you're setting your marketing strategies and thinking of content, I want to challenge you to think of your audience and think of your customer and what they need rather than just talking about yourself or your brand or your product, but focusing on the needs of the customer. That's what makes social media a successful marketing platform. We'll follow the BYU-Idaho learning model throughout this course. Come to class each week just prepared, read our assignments, be ready to participate in the discussions. You'll be able to teach one another and work with each other in group work. We'll have a few journal reflection assignments and some comprehension quizzes. But basically, if you're logging in and working on some of this stuff each day, you're going to be fine. We're gonna work through this and have a great semester together, and that's really my goal. You can reach me at any time at my email there. You'll see on the screen. Send me an email. I promise I'll respond within 24 hours. If it's something urgent, send me a text or give me a call there at my cell phone number. All my contact information is listed in iLearn as well. And on Thursday evenings will be my office hours from 6 to 9. Hop on our Zoom call and we can talk about any questions you have with the assignments or some of the group work, or we can just talk about some really cool social media marketing tactics and strategies that you're seeing from brands today. In closing, I really just love this quote from Elder Bednar. He talks about how social media can be a tool that we use to testify of our Heavenly Father and the restoration and the plan of salvation. And I would invite you to read this talk and this quote, especially as we go throughout this semester, and ponder the ways that you personally can use social media to share your testimony and to be a light in a darkening world. So that's it from me this week. We'll see you online, and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.